Hey folks, FGFRC. Well, I found some glue and I was able to glue the nose back on after the questionable maiden. But we're going to take up the Arrows MiG-29 again. Timer set for 3 minutes. This time I'm running the SMC 4300 6S pack in her. I think it's got an ADC discharge. See what kind of speed we can get out of the bird today. This is the second time I have ever flown this MiG. All right. Beautiful plane though. A little windy today, but that's okay. All right. Timer set for 3 minutes. Here we go.
Landing flaps.
There we go. Now that's how you land it. That's how you land it right there.
Flaps up.
All right, I'll get it turned around.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
We'll actually try takeoff flaps this time.
Takeoff flaps.
All right, here we go.
Flaps up. Gear up. Gear down. Landing flaps.
There we go. All right, see if we can't get one more takeoff and landing with her. Do love the way she sounds.
Takeoff flaps.
All right, here we go.
Flaps up. Gear up. Time remaining 1 minute. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Oh, got the nose again. I'm just gonna give up on the nose. I'm gonna buy me another nose, one for flying, one for display. Because they don't take much to rip that nose off.
Motor off.
All right, let's see what kind of speed we got. Now I gotta go out there and get that nose again. All right. Stop, read. Okay, we got her up 292 feet and got her up to 112 miles an hour. Not bad. All right. Well, folks, we're just going to go ahead and end the flight right there. Let me check the battery. I'll walk out there and get that nose. But I'm telling you right now, if you buy the plane, go ahead and buy an extra nose cone. Just go ahead and do it. All right. All right. The nice thing about it, the end of that plane has plastic under there, so the tail doesn't, the fins or the elevators don't actually touch when it rocks back like that. Still have 56% left. I could have flown, well shoot, I could set the timer for 3.5 minutes and not just 3 minutes. And that is a 4400 when you SMC battery whenever you, are you getting that battery? Let me get closer. Okay. That's a 4400 when you charge it at the high voltage rate, and that's the at the LHIV, or 4.35 volts per cell. When you charge it that way, you get 4400 megahertz out. If you charge it the regular 4.2, you get 3800 storage. So, all right, folks. Well, thank you for watching. That is the Arrows MIG 29, and I really love this plane. It flies great. I just highly recommend, if you buy it, go ahead and buy yourself an extra nose cone, because the slightest little bit of downward, and because this is really a soft front gear, it has a lot of spring and it really gives, and that nose is so long, you're going to rip that nose off almost all the time. So, all right, folks, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. Don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and Arrows MIGs. Bye-bye.